Broilers create intense heat and flavor, making them indispensable in commercial kitchens everywhere. Imperial has an incredible selection of broilers that all ensure even heat distribution, quick cooking times, consistent results, and energy efficiency. Each broiler is built in the USA with a robust stainless steel construction that will withstand the fast pace of a busy kitchen. The professional countertop broiler is designed for high-volume kitchens. It has a cast iron top grate with 4 height levels, a fully welded stainless steel crumb tray, and provides 22,000 BTUs per burner. The Steakhouse broiler features a 3-position grate, creating 3 heat zones and 20,000 BTUs per burner. The Radiant Smoke Mesquite wood broilers each infuse a rich, smoky flavor using logs, wood chips, or charcoal, and provide 20,000 BTUs per burner. The chicken broiler has high production burners to assure even heat distribution for fully cooked chickens. The large 36-inch deep broiling surface holds 15 3-pound chickens and provides 40,000 BTUs per burner. The Radiant Char broiler features cast iron radiance to prevent burners from clogging, top grate blades with cast-in grease troughs to minimize flare-ups, and 15,000 BTUs per burner. Imperial, where reliability meets performance and excellence is always on the menu. Visit us at imperialrange.com to learn more.